everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be extending these natural nails with nail foams and polygel. So I'm going to be putting a disclaimer up. I'm not an expert at using nail foams, but I love using them once in a while. So this is the way I use them. I put that small part on the other side to make it thicker. Then to give that nail foam a kind of a strong build at the base, then I put it under the nails. I've seen some other people on YouTube customizing the nail foams to fit the client's natural nail shape. I've not been able to get that, so I've tried it once but I didn't get it, and I've not tried it ever since again. So I'll be putting polygel on these nails. So like I said, I want to extend the natural nails. These two broke and two on the other hand too broke, so I'll be extending 4 nails with polygel. The polygel I'm using is part of the Alibaba nail haul I did some days ago. If you are yet to see that video, I'll be putting the link up here so you can click on the link to watch the video. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'd like to thank my old subscribers for always coming back to watch my content, and my new subscribers, I'd like to thank you for deciding to join this family. And those of you that watch without subscribing, thank you also. God bless you all. I usually use gel polish base coat as my sleep solution. So if you are seeing me putting that brush, I'm applying gel base coat on the polygel before I start patting it into place. So after patting this into place and giving the foam, I'll cure it for 60 seconds in a UV LED lamp. So this is going to be the process for all the fingers. I'll apply the polygel here for 60 seconds, then go to the other finger. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. After curing the polygel, I'm going to be wiping the stickiness off with a no-nit wipe soaked in isopropyl alcohol. File and shape it to look like the other natural nails before I start applying the gel polish colors. So if you're looking to extend your natural nails a bit, just a bit, you can use polygel, but that's be a thick polygel. If it's a thick polygel, you can even extend your natural nails without even using foams, but it's easier to use foams to be able to know the length you want to extend it to, and it won't stick to your skin. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of this video. Please enjoy the music.
Figure ways, fine face, 10 days, I done the wait for you, my charge. For you, my charge. You want a form, no case, I no go talk, Scarface for you, my charge. For you, my charge. Said take me anywhere you want to go. Show me everything I wanna know. No lie, no lie. I said run 'em anyhow you want to run. Shake 'em, baby girl, you fire past the gun, no doubt. No doubt. But you say, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Yeah, all the quite risky. You know I go 50-50. Yes, your body risky. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Hey, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. You know I'm going 50-50. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Me know I go 50-50. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Me know I go 50-50. Risky, yes, your body risky. big ways, fine face, 10 days, I done the wait for you, my charge. For you, my charge. You want a form, no case, I no go talk, Scarface for you, my charge. For you, my charge. Said take me anywhere you want to go. Show me everything I wanna know. No lie, no lie. I said run 'em anyhow you want to run. Shake 'em, baby girl, you fire past the gun, no doubt. No doubt. But you say, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money, so what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Yeah, all the quite risky. They call me. Him no know waiting I do way make I'm not over me. Bangers and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you corner. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer. Baby, me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, You like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup. Baby, what you gonna do? Yeah. Listen, no time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. Umaka de jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag.